What up guys, your boy Jamie95 with another video, and today's video something different. As you can see behind me here, I got a 2013 Kia Sorento SX. This is my mom's car, and today I'm going to be trying something a little different. So as you can see, looking at the car right here, the car looks fairly new, but if you look closely, you can see the headlights are beginning to have that foggy look. So at nights, it does hinders visibility. And there you see the foggy look that's coming up. They call it oxidation, when the headlights begin to oxidate. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to use this 3M headlight restoration kit that I got from Advanced Auto Parts. Yeah, my favorite go-to store. This one here, there's a picture, the yellow oxidation look, and then boom, you use the kit, clear white. So I took some pictures. I'm going to do a before and after and film the process. Sand, refine, and protect. So here we got some masking tape. And here's where Velcro grip pads. This I'll be using to, I guess I'll attach it to this. Yep, just like that. Alright, so I'm gonna put this in the corner. Instructions. Nothing else. Quick headlight clear coat. 2 of those, and where's this? My glove and the cloth. Alright guys, so now we have the finished product. It's been about 10 minutes since the second coating has been drying, and I'm not gonna tell any lie, there's a huge difference. Now the biggest thing to see is how long it's going to last. So it's the first week of August, but we'll just say August 1st, and I'll see how long it lasts before the yellow starts to come back. So here's the product, guys. If you guys wish to purchase it, here it is. It's called 3M Headlight Restoration Kit. And yellow to clear, and it really is clear. So boom, there you guys have it. Since it was my first time doing it, it did take me a while, but I'd say you could probably do it probably within an hour. You could do both sides an hour or less. It was definitely well worth it. This costed around $15–16 at advance. You could probably get it cheaper on Amazon because Amazon has everything cheaper. But looks nice, guys. So let me know what you think. Like, comment, subscribe. You guys have any tips, or if you guys have used this product before or used a similar product, let me know what you guys think of it, and just drop it in the comment box and I'll respond to you guys. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.